Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Aaron with U-Haul with a quick bike rack tip. Now if you have a hanging style bike rack and you notice that on windy days or if you're making a lot of turns that your front tire, which is free, is just spinning and going back and forth, this could be a big issue for you, especially if you have more than two bikes on, because those front tires can just go ahead and hit against each other. Or if your bike rack is too close to your vehicle, there's a slight chance that your tire could actually hit your vehicle. So it's a really easy fix. All you have to do is just secure your tire to the frame on your bicycle. Now, a lot of bike rack companies will include tire straps like this one. Now, these will come with just Velcro straps or just a ratchet tie down. So all you have to do is take your tie down, or in this case, our Velcro strap, and just go around our tire and then just secure it around our frame. Now, once you have it all secured with either your strap or your tie down, you can see that it doesn't have much of a turn radius, so you don't have to worry about it hitting into your vehicle or hitting one of your other bikes. Like I said, not all bike racks come with these straps, so if you don't have it, that's fine. It is just as simple as using just a piece of string just to tie it up, or using a ratchet strap. Now, if you need any help deciding which type of bike rack is best for you and your family, go ahead and visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center and they can help you pick out the best one for you and your vehicle. Thank you for watching.